Sanbon, welcome back to our channel where we explore the beauty and wisdom of Zulu culture. Today we are diving into something fascinating, taboos. Have you ever wondered why some things are just not done in traditional Zulu life? Let's uncover the powerful meaning behind some of our most sacred izintombi, the Zulu taboos. Ukuhlonipha, that is respect, is the heart of Zulu culture. And taboos or izintombi are deep rules that help us live in harmony with each other and the spirit world. These unwritten laws teach us how to behave, protect us from dangers, and show honor to our ancestors. So let's dive in to taboo number 1. Never whistle at night. It may sound harmless, but in Zulu tradition, whistling at night is believed to summon snakes or even wandering spirits. Elders say it opens a doorway to the unknown. Taboo number 2 is don't point at a grave. Pointing at a resting place is seen as disrespectful. Instead, lower your gaze or use your chin or elbow if you need to gesture. It's all about honoring those who have passed on. Taboo number 3. Red cloths at a funeral. Not allowed. In Zulu customs, red is often reserved for spiritual rituals, and wearing it to a funeral could disturb the balance between the living and the ancestors. Taboo number 4 is no meat during mourning. During ukuzila, certain foods like meat are avoided. This is a time for cleansing, humility, and reconnecting with one's spirit and the ancestors. These taboos aren't just rules, they hold deeper meaning. They teach us patience, humility, and respect. They protect us spiritually and emotionally. Whether it's what you wear, say, or eat, every action has a purpose. Of course, life has changed. Cities, schools, and modern lifestyles mean not everyone follows these taboos. Even if we adapt the values, respect, care, and balance still matters today. With times changing, it's becoming a little bit harder to continue with these taboos or pass them on. This just reminded me of the time when I told one of my daughters that she cannot whistle in the house, and she just kept quiet. And a few weeks later, she asked me, why isn't she allowed to whistle in the house? And I had to stop for a second because I've never really bothered to ask my parents why they said that. So we have to understand that our kids are different from us. They need to know and understand why something is done or why it's not done. So I had to be honest, and I told her, hey, I don't know. My parents just told me we cannot whistle in the house. It's not good. And she just looked at me and said, oh, is that the reason? I said, yeah, sure. And she was like, okay, then it means they meant that you cannot whistle in their house. So maybe it's okay to whistle in our house. I just sat there for a while and started thinking, how our kids are so different from us. With us, when our parents told us, don't do this or do that, we never really questioned. We never really tried to reason with them. So when it comes to our kids, we have to find a way to to be open to them and give them reasons and why we believe or why we use these taboos. So back to the taboos. Which of these taboos surprised you? Have you had any other from your family or community? Let's keep the culture alive, respectfully and proudly. Please share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Zulu wisdom and stories. Uze uhlale ukhumbula, isiko alibulali, liyasiza. Tradition does not kill, it guides.